Have you ever thought about growing your own herbs and spices? Welcome to a journey of gardening delight, where freshness meets convenience and cost efficiency. Picture this, a world where your favorite herbs and spices are just a pluck away. Imagine having fresh herbs and spices at your fingertips anytime you need them. First, decide on which herbs and spices you want to grow. Consider easy-to-grow favorites like basil, parsley, rosemary, and thyme. But don't forget, your climate and available space play crucial roles in your choice. Remember, choose plants that suit your climate and space. Now, it's time to plant your herbs and spices. Start by preparing the soil. Enrich it with organic matter for a nutrient boost. Dig a hole deep enough to cover the roots of the plant, but not the stem. Space out your plants, considering their mature size to avoid overcrowding. Remember, different herbs and spices may have unique planting needs, so always check the plant tags or do a quick research. With proper planting, your herbs and spices will be off to a great start. Taking care of your plants is crucial for their growth. Watering is essential, but remember, too much can be as harmful as too little. Most herbs and spices crave sunlight, so ensure they bask in it for at least 6 hours a day. Regular pruning encourages fuller growth and keeps your plants healthy. Beware of common pests and diseases. Aphids, whiteflies, and powdery mildew can wreak havoc, but with the right organic pest control measures, they can be kept at bay. With the right care, your herbs and spices will thrive. Finally, the rewarding part, harvesting your herbs and spices. As a rule of thumb, pluck leaves or sprigs before the plant flowers for maximum flavor. For plant health, never harvest more than 1/3 of the plant. Harvesting at the right time will give you the best flavors. Growing your own herbs and spices is not only rewarding but also fun. We've explored choosing, planting, caring for, and harvesting your own garden delights. Imagine the aroma, taste, and health benefits right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.